This quick procedure is to understand how to mark a deal as won in DocuProjects CRM and how it is connected to the invoicing process. The first condition is that you must have a finalized quote. Any deal with a quote that is not finalized cannot be marked as won. Once you have a finalized quote and have received customer confirmation, you can proceed to the deal and mark it as won. After marking the deal as won, the deal becomes locked and no further edits can be made. At the same time, the deal is automatically moved to the invoicing module for invoice generation. Now, this is where DocuProjects enhances the experience through automation and control. Invoices in DocuProjects are directly connected to deals. All invoices are generated from deals, and any changes to an invoice must always go through the deal. Invoices cannot be edited directly from the invoicing module. This ensures that every update follows a structured and controlled workflow. This approach is designed to prevent any kind of revenue mismatch or inconsistency by ensuring that all validations happen at the deal level before invoicing. As a result, the system maintains complete control over the revenue cycle, making the process accurate, reliable, and fully automated. Additionally, if you want to attach any supporting documents related to the deal, such as a signed proposal or confirmation email, you can click on Attach and upload PDF or image files. Any user who has access to this deal can come to this section and view the documents at any time.